In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import invoices into Xero. If you've ever found yourself manually entering invoices one by one, you know how time-consuming that can be. Fortunately, Xero provides a handy feature that allows you to import invoices in bulk using a template. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're handling a large number of invoices at once. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get this done efficiently. First, let's navigate to the right place in Xero. Once you've logged into your Xero account, take a look at the top bar. Here, you'll see a menu of options across the screen. Locate and click on the Sales option. Clicking Sales will present you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Invoices. Selecting Invoices will bring up a detailed list of all your invoices currently recorded in Xero. This page gives you a comprehensive view of your invoicing activity, allowing you to search for particular invoices or examine details about each transaction directly from this page. Now that you're on the Invoices page, cast your eyes to the top of the screen once more. There, you'll find a button labeled Import. Go ahead and click on Import. This action will prompt Xero to guide you toward the next crucial step in the bulk import process. You'll be asked to download a template. This template is essentially a spreadsheet file, which you will use to enter all your invoice data. Downloading and using this provided template is essential because it ensures that your data is structured in a way that Xero can recognize and import correctly. Once you've downloaded the template, open it on your computer. It will typically be in a format that's easily opened in spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel. You'll notice several headers and columns, each designated for specific invoice details, such as invoice number, date, amount, and customer information. Carefully enter your invoice data into this template, adhering to the format prescribed by Xero. Take care to double-check for any data entry mistakes or inconsistencies, as these could cause issues during the import process. After you've entered all your data into the template and you're confident everything looks correct, save the file onto your computer. With the template now filled out, head back to Xero. In the same area where you downloaded the template, you should see the option to upload your completed template file. Follow the prompts to upload your file and begin the import process. Xero will take it from there, processing and adding your invoices to the system. If there are any errors, Xero typically provides feedback to help you identify and fix any issues. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to bulk import invoices into Xero, streamlining your invoicing process and saving valuable time.